Vortex. There's so much power in this word. And if you're familiar with an indicator that shares the same name, you also know that there's just as much opportunity. Opportunity to understand the market better, to analyze it more thoroughly. You can already find several videos about indicators on my channel, and today I would like to add to that collection with another great instrument. To begin with, let's find Vortex in the indicators list, open it, and see what it is. The Vortex indicator plots two oscillating lines that cross each other from time to time. The green and red lines constantly compete with each other, one or the other being on top, depending on who's dominating the market at that particular point in time. If the bulls are on top, so is the green line, and if the bears take the lead, the red line will be on top. Alright then, but how does this information help us find a good entry point? Glad you asked. What we're looking for are those crossovers. When the lines cross each other and switch places, the market, too, starts moving in a different direction. And that's what we see with this example. The green line is losing ground to the red one, meaning that the bears are getting stronger. So, that's a 5-minute put. And of course, we have to analyze the market as well. No single indicator can predict where the price goes. Never forget that. And if we take a quick look at our chart, we can clearly identify the level of support. So, the market will probably go down towards it. It might rebound though, so that's why I chose the 5-minute expiry. Alright, let's see where the price goes now. Now, what did I just say? It was just perfect. Alright then, let's move on to the next one. This time, the market is a bit more volatile. You can see it with the indicator as well. The lines become somewhat more rough, the directions changing much more frequently. And there are two things that grab my attention. First, it's the trend, the downtrend to be more precise. The market has been trading in it for a while now, and it doesn't appear to be stopping anytime soon. And second, it's the Vortex. The red line is clearly on top here, but this stretch is much more interesting. The green line is starting to lose ground, and the red one gaining it. So that's a 10-minute put for me. Let's see where the market goes. And those 10 minutes fit the movement just perfectly. The profit is ours. Moving on, we have a curious situation here with this EUR/CAD market that we enter with a 5-minute call. Now, I know some of you may say, what the hell are you doing? The market's trading in a downtrend. It's gonna rebound off the resistance and head straight down. But wait a second. The 1-minute time frame chart does not show all. Want to see some magic? We switch to a 5-minute time frame and voila, everything is in place. First, the market's actually trading in an uptrend, and the price just rebounded off the support level, so most likely it's going to continue moving up. And second, if in the previous case it was a bit hard to use Vortex, now it's clear as day, and it shows us that the green line is crossing the red one from below, so the price is going up, friend. And the option expires in the green. Now let's look at this chart here. As is tradition, I'm going to give you 5 seconds to think about where the price is going to go next. Now, what do you think? I think that just one look at Vortex is enough to know for sure that the price is going down. The lines cross regularly, so now it's time for the red one to be on top. Also, the market's trading in a downtrend, so we trade with the trend, which is important. So that's a 5-minute put off this resistance level. Wrapping up, here's what I want to say. Don't forget to use your head, friend. Using indicators is all good and all, but market analysis is even more important. Still, that's another instrument that you know about and can use now. I'm sure this video has been helpful for you. Unless you don't do trading, I guess. Well, in any case, I hope to see you soon. And as always, stay safe and be in touch.